Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Photoboot on Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started to the video. So what you need to do here, you can see Instagram. Make sure to update your Instagram from App Store or Google Play Store. So after updating your Instagram, let me just get inside my official Instagram account, and here you have to press on the bottom right corner on your profile section, and then it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this plus icon here, and after clicking this plus icon here, you will find an option, story option. Simply tap on the story option, and then here you will find the camera story. So here you can see you will find create boomerang, layout, and many more. So to use the photo booth, you have to simply click on this arrow sign on the below, and here you'll find photo booth. Simply tap on this photo booth, and then here I'm going to show you how you can use this. So guys, as you can see here I have a box of a mobile phone and a bottle and a matchbox. So to use this photo booth, what you have to do here, I'm going to show you. First of all, let me just show you. You have to just tap here. You can see a 3 2 1. So you have to capture one picture here, and the two picture and the three picture. So you can see here 1 2 3. So you can see it will be directly a booth. So in this way you can use the photo booth. It's a very pretty simple, it's kind of cool that you can upload on your story. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give up one thumbs up. See you soon on the next video.